I am used to it.
I am used to people not liking my writing.
I am used to having phone lists and dinner meetings.
In plain truth, I am used to it.
But I am used to it, Papa.
But I am not used to it.
I'm not used to drinking champagne.
I mean, I am not used to this sort of thing.
I am not used to day drinking.
I'm used to knowing what the right thing to do is, but now I'm not sure anymore.
Oh, no, I'm just used to the cold.
I'm not used to being around people like you.
Guess I'm not used to being without an alarm clock.
Well, you see, I'm not used to going on a date with a grand jury, and it makes me a little nervous.
I'm not used to the idea of being a beau, much less a catch.
I'm not used to this phone yet.
I'm not used to the heat.
That is true, but I'm not used to working in such horrible conditions.
And there is a difference between the love she is used to receiving and the love that I have for her.
She is used to sugar on Sundays and Saints' days.
And what if she is used to luxury?
Used to being the one that gets worried about, not the one who's worrying.
He's used to it, the creature.
He's used to it by now.
It's hard for him because he's used to being the big shot.
Well, I guess I'll just babysit him till he's used to the room.
Everybody is used to being despised by him.
Jeff is used to doing whatever he has to be first, isn't he?
Dobby is used to death threats, sir.
Roman is used to having...
He isn't used to girls.
Stinks even more when it's coming from someone who isn't used to lying.
She isn't used to being emotional, I think.
She isn't used to all this chaos.
Sheamus isn't used to this. Usually it's Shamer who's the physical aggressor in the matchup.
These assisted living residents have a daily routine that they're used to.
They're used to waiting.
Oh, they're used to that.
Oh no, they're used to that, don't worry.
Yeah, my parents grew up in Vermont, so they're used to it, but I was raised mostly in the South.
We're used to our clients winning.
Those hairs look like cilia, longer than we're used to seeing on Earth.
Out here, we're used to getting what we want.
So much better than what we're used to.
We're used to looking at genetic predisposition for diseases.
You're used to dealing with professionals.
You're used to handling things on your own, I get that.
You're used to this life, to living on the road, never settling in one place, not belonging anywhere.
It's not what you're used to, but I think you will like it.
I normally take you to the clinic, but I expect you're used to having girls in your hotel room.
This is a person that we are used to seeing at the pulpit, Bible in hand.
Again, something we politicians are used to.
You pirates are used to taking what you want without the formality of purchase.
You are used to it.
Because we are used to it.
They're not used to getting hit.
Oh, you know, they're not used to seeing guys like you around here, if you know what I mean.
They're not used to this kind of stress, so they get impulsive.
As they're not used to grilling a star.
They're not used to playing with their clothes on. We're not used to it.
I mean, we're not used to doing anything for ourselves, let alone drive.
We're not used to this process exactly.
We're not used to having a man in the house, so I guess we ride him pretty hard.
Okay, remember, these people aren't used to seeing, anything like you, or you.
People just aren't used to seeing unusual things the way we are.
Now, we all know that politicians aren't used to keeping their word.
Our little legs aren't used to it.
The boys here aren't used to the concepts you're bandying about.
We just aren't used to easiness.
She was used to home, comforts, and friends.
The wife was wearing new shoes with heels much higher than she was used to, and...
It was normal, like she was used to that kind of treatment.
She was used to blazing her own trail.
He was used to being in the spotlight, right?
Yeah. So he was used to it now.
I'd say that was rather less cordial than he was used to.
He wasn't used to it.
I wasn't used to wrestling with chunks of music.
I wasn't used to it.
You know, when Holly came along and was so crazy about me, I wasn't used to it.
I had no idea she wasn't used to it.
I wasn't used to it.
The palace wasn't used to it.
Wasn't used to the concrete steps.
I mean, these players, they were used to being treated like kings.
Having played host to kings and queens and other powers that be, they were used to gracing the pages of the society columns.
I guess it's what
We were used to this, the real world.
We were used to dancing with our jeans.
I thought you was used to it.
Because we want to live up to the quality of the writing you were used to at RKO. I thought you said you were used to being on your feet.
Miss Holloway, you told me when I hired you that you were used to answering phones.
It was a world of emotions you weren't used to seeing so fucking close.
These men weren't used to the deep feelings of love that they were experiencing with me.
Well, for one thing, they weren't used to fighting humans with our level of technology.
And I told him you weren't used to company.
You weren't used to being loved.
We should be used to celebrities by now.
We should be used to senseless killing.
We should be used to it by this time.
We should be used to it by now.
I should be used to it by now.
Although, as someone pointed out to me recently, I should be used to it by now.
I suppose I should be used to it.
I should be used to this by now.
I've been shuttled around so much by this corporation, I should be used to it by now.
You should be used to taking money from ladies by now.
You should be used to it by now.
Well, you should be used to it after 5 years of marriage.
I mean, with a brother like Lucifer, I really should be used to this, right?
Gee, you should be used to it by now.
You should be used to getting sprayed in the face, Prospect.
You might be used to it anyway.
Must be used to sleeping on the floor.
You must be used to that by now, huh?
You must be used to all those roughneck types.
You must be used to it.
But you must be used to people staring at you.
You must be used to it.
But you must be used to that by now.
Pitch! In his foster home, he's been used to hanging out with kids, dogs, and cats.
Cameron, he's been used to the pretty island.
These jokers are not the chaps we've been used to.
You've been used to having things your way for a long time, and now there's these strangers coming in here, moving you out of your comfort zone.
Not what you've been used to.
That sound a whole lot different than the one you've been used to.
You'll probably find it a bit tricky at first, after the big stuff you've been used to, but once you get the feel of a boat that responds like a spatterbox, you'll get a great kick out of it.
That's small when you've been used to losing.
How do you think I live poking about in that great house all by myself when I've been used to having Charlotte until she had the baby?
I've been used to that my whole life.
But in the circuses I've been used to, it was always the ringmaster who cracked the whip.
And so I've been used to it since childhood, being a loner.
John has been used to every luxury, Corbett.
No doubt you have been used to better-sized apartments at Mr. Allen's.
In a prison town, you'd think they'd be used to uniforms.
I think they'd be used to shotgun weddings around here.
You think they'd be used to the cold, wouldn't you?
So, I mean, you'd think she'd be used to it by now.
I figured she'd be used to it by now.
Would have thought he'd be used to this kind of thing.
Funny, with a face like yours, I thought you'd be used to it by now.
It's a very different audience to what you'd be used to with Ike.
You'd think you'd be used to it by now.
After 20 years, I think you'd be used to me slam dunking in your face.
Thought you'd be used to traveling that way by now.
You'd think I'd be used to animals from the circus.
You think I'd be used to this by now?
You think I'd be used to telling you goodbye by now?
You'd think I'd be used to women withholding their love.
I don't know why. You think I'd be used to it by now.
I would have thought you would be used to it by now.
You think an artist would be used to rejection?
You may not be used to the cold.
I think you might find things a lot quieter here at Saxe-Ford than you may be used to.
You guys may be used to losing, but not me.
You may be used to these conditions, but obviously she's not.